Here we go. We got Leon the trowel. He's a plumber by trade, but he's learning his plastering trade. Come on, baby, get it on that wall. Look at him chucking it around. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. That was a big strike. Big strike of the wall. Look at him go. And again, woo, baby. Load your hook. Get some more on your hook. Come on. Watch me trowel. He's dropping it everywhere. Come on, baby. Look at him go. Yeah, baby. Come on. He's throwing it around like a bacon. Look at him go. He's a natural. He's a natural, baby. He's a smiley. He's a proper natural. Here we go again. Look at him go. He's loading up again. Go, let it go. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Here we got a plumber. Plumber doing the plastering. Multi-skilled. We're going to put it on YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah, a bit of YouTube. There you go, baby.